It's time to get caught up with the biggest stories in tech. This is TechV's Weekly Wrap-Up. The Apple App Store was shaken up last week. Apple has removed all sexy apps. So what defines a sexy app anyway? According to one developer, there are several components, including images of men or women showing skin, and sexual connotations or innuendo. This change is not yet documented in Apple's guidelines. Apple's App Store content is totally at the discretion of Apple, so it looks like certain app developers are out of luck. Vudu, the video streaming service, is about to be gobbled up by Wal-Mart, according to the New York Times. The Times is also reporting that the deal would allow Wal-Mart to sell other merchandise through Vudu. Walmart has attempted to enter the online video market before, but that venture was a failure. Maybe with Vudu, Walmart could have something. Last week, Apple removed a large number of apps for sexual content. Well, now there's an explanation. Phil Schiller, Apple's Senior VP of Worldwide Product Marketing, has said that Apple was getting complaints from women and parents. Schiller was asked about why applications like Sports Illustrated swimsuit application were still allowed in the App Store, and Schiller said that, quote, "The difference is this is a well-known company with previously published material available broadly in a well-accepted format," end quote. Aha. So the trick here is, if you want to get your raunchy app in the App Store, get widely accepted outside the App Store first. According to Media Post, Twitter will be launching an advertising platform very soon. The plan would make sure any sponsored tweet would bear a clear label, possibly using a hashtag. Twitter with a business plan? What's next? Google understanding privacy concerns? YouTube will no longer support Internet Explorer 6 starting on March 13th. This is part of Google's move to end support for IE6 for many of its sites. If you know anyone who's still using IE6, do them a favor and upgrade them to any number of other browsers so they can keep accessing Google properties and just for overall security. 3 Google executives have been sentenced to 3 to 6 months in jail by an Italian court for failing to comply with the Italian privacy code. What did they do? The court says the execs allowed a video to be placed on YouTube. The video showed students bullying an autistic student. When Google found out about the video, it was taken down. Again, the executives are being sentenced for allowing the video to be uploaded in the first place. The Apple App Store drama continues. First, Apple removed apps with sexy content except from major publishers. Then Apple added a new category to the App Store, explicit, which made people think Apple would allow explicit apps in the store. Nope. Apple then quickly removed the explicit category, so don't expect explicit content in the App Store. If you want explicit content on your iPhone, you could always check out Safari or any number of movies on the iTunes Movie Store. Not good news from Palm. The maker of the Palm Pre and Pixie is reporting that sales are lower than expected. Expectations were high, and things don't look good for Palm. Its stock has been declining since mid-January. A full financial statement by Palm will be issued in March. And that's what was important in tech this week. To keep up to date, subscribe to our shows at techv.com. I'm Ayaz Akhtar, and I'll see you later.